In this video, I will put you through on how to add apps in the control section of an iPhone for easy access. The iPhones that support this feature are iOS 18. So if you have not upgraded your iPhone to iOS 18, check the description of this video. I have a link there that will put you through on how you can do that. Without taking much time, let's get right into it.
Drag down from the top right. Alright, so this exposes you to the control section of this iPhone. Then tap the plus sign at the top left of the control area. Then this makes the control to has this kind of look at this point in time. You can tap the minus sign to remove any control you don't want to have here, any app you don't want to have here at this point in time. But here we want to add new, okay? To add a control, what you need to do is to tap on add a control text, okay? Now this displays more controls that you can add in the control area, okay? You can swipe down to see more, all right? So what do we add here? So let's make a selection of what we want to add. In this case, let's go up and choose one. So I want to add this one named low battery or alarm. Okay, let's go with alarm. So tap on the control, the app or the feature you want to add. Now you can see alarm is now added. And then tap on the top part of the control for everything to be saved. Okay, you can see we have alarm here. If you want to remove any app from the control area, as you are on the control section, tap the plus sign at the top left. On tapping the plus sign at the top left, this makes the control to look like this. So tap the minus sign on any app you want to remove from the control. And you can see this alarm has been removed. So to save your changes, tap on the top or the top right or the top left where no app appears, okay? And everything is now saved. So I can tap here and I return to my home screen. So this is how you can add any new app in the control area, a functionality, and still remove it. It is that simple.
If you like a video like this, consider subscribing to learn more. Hit the like button, the one that points up like this, so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people. All right? Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this video. Is it helpful or you need something extra? To learn more on how to make good use of the connectivity functionality of iPhone, consider watching this video. Thank you and see you some other time.